Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Susanita Afe. Today you guys, I will be sharing with you guys how I made this flawless crochet wig. If you want to see how I was able to transform the straight wig into a curly crochet wig, sit back and keep on watching. So what we need for today's tutorial is a crochet wig cap, lash hook or a crochet needle, X-pression ultra braid hair extension. For this tutorial I only needed 2 packs, so you can decide for yourself, maybe you want to do less or you want to use more, but I decided 2 was enough. As you can see, my wig is already standing by. This is one that I've used for a couple of months now, but today I decided let's just give it another definition. So let's go right into today's tutorial. I am done braiding the hair and this is how it looks. This actually took me about 45 minutes to braid all. Yes. So from the inside, this is how it looks. I already fixed my security band so it doesn't fall off for safety. Yeah, this is how it looks inside out. So now it's time to add some hot water. Yeah. Yeah, you have to be very careful. Like you guys, you have to be extremely careful when you are adding hot water to the wig. I let the hair to stay overnight for it to dry. So it's dry. I'm just unboxing, just undoing the braids. Now it's time to give this hair some finished touch. I am just detangling and trimming at the same time. So to make the hair shine a little bit, I'm just going to spray with a leave-in condition.
Slow it down, oh boy, you're not ready now. Hold me now, hold me now. I just shot me at the killer. Like a midwife, me, I deliver. Oh lad, I'll be cooking for dinner. But you can have your dessert on me.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video.